Greetings, viewers. We're discussing an article from Bloomberg today on the EV revolution. Tesla veteran Selena Mikolajczak, now vice president of battery technology at General Motors, is leading a massive overhaul of GM's EV battery production. Under her guidance, GM is planning to boost its overall manufacturing capabilities and also cut the cost of its batteries by nearly 60% by the end of this decade. Many are seeing this as a major challenge to Tesla's market dominance. Mikolajczak plans to transform GM, drawing on her broad knowledge and extensive experience gained while working at Tesla. How do you see this move shaping the future of electric vehicles? Share your thoughts in the comments below.